Okay, so this is my Pegasus scroll saw. Got it up and I just made my first shape. It's a little bow. Um, I cut it out of this piece of scrap, and now I'm just about to cut a couple more of these. Another bow, different shape, and a flower. So we'll see. I still haven't figured out how to get this piece on. My machine unfortunately came a little uh, messed up. Some of the parts fell off of it, I think, in shipping. So luckily my husband helped me figure out how to get the parts that we could find put back on it. But now we have to figure out how to get this thing on. Anyway, that's it for now.